morning, students. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all my students as you all are actively participating in these sessions. Many students have submitted the assignments also, and some have been asked their queries. So I got to know that some students are getting confused in place value system. So in today's session, I will clarifying it again. Okay, so please listen carefully. Now, as we have discussed in the last class that there are various types of numbers, natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers, basically counting numbers are called natural numbers from where you have start counted like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are all counting numbers. So we can say that counting numbers are all natural numbers. Whole numbers, 0 is included in the natural numbers, so they are called whole numbers. They form a set of whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are all whole numbers. So we have discussed all these in the last session. Now some students are getting confused in Indian system and international system. So today I am clarifying it again. So please listen carefully. Now ones, tens, hundred comes under ones period. Thousand, 10,000 comes under thousand period. Lakhs, 10 lakhs and comes under lakhs period. Crores, 10 crores comes under the crores period. So periods are separated using commas. Like if we have a larger number of digits in one number, so how we will read out this? Now it becoming more difficult. So to make it easy, we first insert commas. Once tens, hundred, then comma will come. Then thousand, 10,000, then comma will come. Then lakh, 10 lakh, then comma will come. Now it will be easier to write the number name. 87 crore 65 lakh 43,210. So now this is the Indian system. Now we have one more system, that is international system. In this system, one's period is same as in the Indian system. But then 1000, 10,000, 100,000 will come. Instead of lakh, it will come 100,000. Then million, 10 millions and 100 millions. Okay. So now place commas according to the international system. Now three digits will come under one period. Like 1 stands 100. This will come in one's period. So comma will come. Then 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then comma will come. Now it will become 64,846,235. Okay. Now I think you have understood the difference between the international system and the Indian system. Now what is the comparison? You can easily observe like 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million, 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. 10 crores is equals to 100 millions. 10,000 is equals to 10,000 because one's period is same. One's, tens, 100 is exactly same in both the systems. Then 1,000, 10,000 are also same in both the systems. After 10,000, Indian place value system and international place value system is different. 10 crores is equals to 100 millions. Crores is equals to 10 millions. 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million and lakhs is equals to 100,000. Now, expanded form. Each digit has a place value according to its position. The sum of place values of each digit of the number is known as its expanded form. Okay, the sum of the place values. You can easily find out the place value. Now, in this number, you know what is the place value of every digit like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. Okay, so you know all the place values. Now, we have placed all the digits under its values, under its place. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to find out its place value and then you have to sum. Okay, now 3. After 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 3, you will put 7 zeros, or you can say 3 multiplied by 1 crore. Then plus, now what is the place value of 1? 10 lakh. So you will multiply 1 by 10 lakh, then plus. because you have to add all these values, all these place values. Okay, so you have to find out the every digit place value and then you have to do it plus. So you have, in this way you can find out each and every place value. Like with 5 lakh, 5 into 5 multiplied by 1 lakh, then 6 into 10,000, then 7 into 1000, 2 into 100, 0 into 10, and then 9 into 1. And you have to put the plus sign among these place values. Okay, this is the expanded form. And I hope everyone has understood as you have done it in your last class also. Now estimation. What do you mean by estimation? Estimation means round off. You must have come across the statement like 2000 flats are ready, 50,000 people participated. So is these figures are the exact values? No, these are the approximation. These are the approximated values. Sometimes exact value is not required and estimating it makes our work easier. Like if you have to go to the market and you know that you have to purchase a pen and it will come around rupees 95. So what will you say to your parent? Like, Papa, just give me 100 rupees, I have to purchase some pen. So this is a round figure. 100 is a round figure. As you know that you have to buy the pen for rupees 95 but you have asked for the 100 rupees. Okay. So this is the estimation. Estimation is a technique of rounding off the number to its nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Like 27 is rounded off to 30. Okay, because 27 is lying between 20 and 30. So 27 is closer to 30 rather than 20. Okay, so 27 is rounded off to 30. Now, there are some rules for estimating a number. Like there is one number 7365 and you have to round off. So like suppose you have to round off to nearest 100. Okay, now nearest 100, what number is there at the 100 place? 3. 3 is at 100's place, so you will underline the number 3. Okay, now if the digit to the right of the underlined digit is less than 5, now underlined digit is 3, but if the number right to the underlined digit, it means we are talking about the tens place, that is 6. If it is among the number 1 to 4, then the underlined digit remains same. Okay, but if the digit right to the underlined digit is more than the number 5 or 5, then you have to increase the underlined digit by 1. That means if the underlined digit is the right number of the underlined digit is 6, it means 6 is between the 5 and 9, so 6 is greater than 4, so underlined digit is increased by 1, it will become 4. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Now replace all the digits to the right of underlined digit with zeros. Okay, then it will become 7400. If 4 was written except 6, instead of 6, 4 was written, then what will happen? Then you will not add 1 in 3. It will be 7300. So this is the rule. If the digit to the underlined digit, if the right digit of the underlined digit is among the 1 to 4, then the underlined digit will remain the same. And if the right digit of the underlined digit is in between 5 to 9, then you will add 1 to the underlined digit. Okay, I hope everyone has understood. Now illustration. Estimate the product. Now first of all we will round off this. 595. Now this will be rounded off to 600. Okay, because 595 is closer to 600. 595 is lying between 500 and 600. So it's closer to 600. Similarly, 261 is lying between 200 and 300. So it is rounded off to 300. Then we will multiply this. 6 into 3 is 18. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will put 4 zeros after 18. Okay. Now question number 2. We estimate this by rounding off to nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10. So you will round 10 at 10's place. The number is 3. both the numbers tens place the number is 3. So first you will have to find out 35 is lying between 30 and 40. 35 is closer to 40. So this will round it off to this number. In the end, it will come 40. Now this number 31 is lying between 30 and 40, but this time 31 is closer to 30. So this number it will become 30. 48230. Now we can easily subtract these numbers, and that you can do it on your own. Now use of brackets. Brackets make the calculation simple and quicker. Like Aman bought 5 pens for rupees 15 and Rohit bought 10 pens for the same price. So now 5 pens for rupees 15, it means 5 into 15, and 10 pens for rupees the same price means 10 pens for the rupees 15 means 10 into 15. So 15 is multiplying in both the numbers, 15 into 5 and 15 into 10, and then you are adding it. So method 1 is that if you are multiplying 15 into 5 first and 15 into 10 first, then you are adding it. But second method is that 15 is common, 15 multiply is common in both sides. So you 15 multiply within the bracket 5 plus 10. You can solve it in this way also. 15 multiply 15. So this is a use of bracket. Okay. In this way you get the answer rupees 225. So you have both the methods, but it's just the way to telling you the use of brackets that we can have this another method also. Okay. Now write an expression for the following using brackets. Okay. 4 times the sum of 3 and 7 means sum of 3 and 7 means 3 plus 7. What is the meaning of sum? Plus 3 plus 7. And 4 times, it means 3 plus 7 are in the bracket and 4 is in the multiplication outside the bracket. 4 multiply of this, 4 times of the sum of this, right? So first you have to do the sum of 3 plus 7 and then multiply it by 4. So this is a use of bracket. Now 90 divided by 5 times the sum of 5 and 4. Sum of 5 and 4. First we will write the sum of 5 and 4. It means 5 plus 4 within the bracket. Now 5 times of this, it means after bracket 5 multiply. Okay, put the sign of multiplication outside the bracket, multiplied by 5. Now what will happen? 90 divided by. Now 90 divided by this huge expression. 5 multiply by 5 plus 4. Okay. Now you will solve first bracket. 5 plus 4 is 9 and 5 into 9 will become. Then 90 divided by 5 into 9. 5 into 9 is 45. So 90 divided by 45, then it will come 2. So this is the way of solving the brackets. So first you have to solve the bracket. Now similarly in this 28 multiply 103. So 103 you have to break it down. 103 it can be written 100 plus 3. Now 28 is multiplying with 100, then 28 is multiplying by 3. It will become 28 into 100 plus 28 into 3. 28 into 100 is 2800 and 28 into 3 is 84. Now you can add them. Okay. You will get the answer. Now 98 into 57. Similarly, we can write 98 as 100 minus 2. So this will become 57 into 100 minus and 57 into 2 means 57 is multiplying by both the numbers separately. Then we will solve this and we will get the answer 5586. Now on the basis of the above topic, I have given you assignment. Please solve this and do practice at your home. I'm waiting for your mails. So please complete it and give your feedback also. If you are facing any kind of problem, then you can also mail me that you have understood everything. You can write mail to me. Okay. So I'm waiting your feedback. Thank you. And you can mail me at shwetagarwalgps@gmail.com. And most important thing, stay home Stay safe.